We are a manufacturer and exporter of high-quality Himalayan salt products. Our company prides itself on sourcing the purest salt from the Himalayan Mountains and crafting it into a variety of products for our customers to enjoy. Whether you're looking for cooking salt, bath salt, or decorative salt,
Himalayan salt lamps, Himalayan salt cooking slabs, Himalayan salt inhalers, Himalayan bath salts, Himalayan salt scrubs, Himalayan salt blocks and tiles, Himalayan salt candle holders, Himalayan salt grinders, Himalayan salt massage stones, Himalayan salt blocks for animal licks, Himalayan salt shot glass. For more details, please visit our website http://malikanwaar.com. Contact us at malikanwaar.com. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. I will upload videos how to use your Himalayan salt slabs, Himalayan salt scrub, Himalayan salt massage balls.